Welcome to JRY TV. What has keys but cannot open lock? Answer: a piano. The more you take, the more you leave behind. What am I? Answer: footsteps. What can travel around the world while staying in a corner? Answer: a stamp. What goes up but never comes down? Answer: your age. What belongs to you but is used more by others? Answer: your name. I have cities but no houses, forest but no trees, and river but no water. Answer: a globe. What has keys but cannot open lock, and space but no room? Answer: a computer keyboard. I can fly without wings, cry without eyes. Where I go, darkness follow me. What am I? Answer: a cloud. What has a heart that doesn't beat? Answer: a deck of cards. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have not body, but I come alive with wind. What am I? An echo. What goes up and down but doesn't move? A staircase. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe JRY TV to enjoy more interesting riddles, Islamic channel knowledge and other common sense questions. Thank you for watching this video.